Oh, sorry. I was just editing a picture. Photo editing and photography in today's world isn't just a profession. It has become a way of life. We take a picture and another one, and 100 pictures later we choose one, which we then take to a photo editor of our choice, play on the photo editor for hours, adjusting this and that, applying this filter and that filter, and finally, once we feel okay with what we have, we upload the picture with a caption, and boom, it's done. This is what we have seen people do in their beds, on commutes, before eating, after dressing up, at a party, at an after party, while at work, while pretending to be at work. Like I said, it has become a way of life. And today, we bring to you some smoking hot photo editing apps for iOS and Android that will get your photo editing skills stronger, better, faster, and your social media game on point. Hi, I'm Ira from Mobile App Daily, and you gotta follow us for our super awesome coverage on mobile apps, latest gadgets, and our research reports on the best performing app development and marketing agencies. Let us begin with the apps for the feed. Once you've got the hang of Snapseed, you'll wish every other software was as intuitive and simple to use. They address basic photo editing needs, from selective adjustments to brighten a face to global changes that cover the most critical of editing needs without overwhelming the user. The details, tools, sharpening, and structure are some of the best in the space when applied subtly. And Snapseed gives you adequate control over filters. This one is a fun, easy to use yet powerful app that covers just about all the bases for consumer mobile photography. It has a rich array of editing tools and filters, lots of creative user controls, robust collage feature, and a wide range of photo import options. We would recommend this app 100%. Okay, so this one is our personal favorite. The clean design of Afterlight has a variety of icons that lead to a collection of filters, adjustment tools, and other really cool features for editing pictures. Especially the dust, color shift, and the double exposure feature. Also, you might end up spending hours on this app because of the number of filters it offers. But you can create your own presets and pay up some money to get access to some magical features. Wasco is a powerful photo editor and a camera app. It has filters and photo editing tools for enhancing your images. And the camera has manual settings for ultimate control when shooting. Wasco includes a camera, photo library, and a Wasco photo editor. There's also a shop and online photo sharing community. This app isn't the easiest to navigate across, but its amazing features and a collection of presets makes it worth your while. Also, you can save your images in the actual size, retaining its high quality, unlike a lot of other apps. And there is no easier way to remove unwanted items from your images. No, there isn't. This app can make any novice photo editor feel like a pro. Since Touch Retouch isn't a full-featured photo editing tool, it has packed in it some extra features to compensate, like clone stamp, before-after button, undo redo, and a rich exporting functionality. Here are some apps that you could use for your stories. Have you noticed that some of the Instagram stories are looking a little more than perfect, scrapbook style, minus the washi tapes and ribbons these days? Have you? Well, there's a clear chance that the app Unfold might be behind it. This free third-party app has grown to 3 million monthly active users since launching in January and is adding 100,000 new users a day. It provides a series of templates that users can add photos, videos, and text to before uploading them to their stories without compromising with the quality. Are you a fan of vintage? Well, there's an app for you. 8mm Vintage Camera is a photo editing app that has been around since 2010. This iOS-only app captures the beauty and magic of old-school vintage movies using a selection of virtual lenses and films that include 1920, Noir, 60s, 70s, Sakura, X-Pro, Sienna, Bela, Indigo, Tuscan. It supports up to 1080p HD video recordings and includes features like a jitter button to imitate frame shakes and a sound switch to add to a projector sound. If you are a fan of vintage, you know what to do now. Go get it. For Android users, you may check out an app called Huji that has similar features. Serial photographers and type geeks alike would be thrilled to discover this one. There are a million templates, graphics and fonts to overlay, add and edit text and design photos to make your social media profile more you. This app is great for people who create images for businesses, events and products. The app's default features include font, color, size, opacity, rotate, spacing, alignment and nudge. Hey guys! Thanks for watching our video. Tell us in the comments below which is your favorite photo editing app and share this video with your Instagram influencer friends, photographer friends, any friend who likes to edit pictures. You can watch our video on the best productivity apps for 2018. You can also watch our video on the best Android gaming apps of 2018. Like, subscribe, comment and do not forget, I repeat myself, do not forget to press the bell icon right over there. We will see you next week. Till then, bye. Peace out.